I was asked by this brother at that time, would I be interested in visiting their annual convention in Islamabad, Tilford. He sat me in the English section. I think I was sitting there 20 minutes. It was at that time I noticed that there was an entourage of people coming into the marquee, and then a gentleman with a turban, he was wearing white, he came up onto the stage. He went to the center of the stage, he sat down in a chair, and then everything started from there. Now that was, of course, which I came to know was Hazrat Mirza Tahir Ahmad, Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Rahmatullah.
खुदा को गवाह ठहरा के कहता हूँ कि मैंने जितनी बार आपको नए कामों की तरफ बुलाया, हर बार आप लब्बैक कहते हुए आगे बढ़े, अपना सब कुछ इस्लाम में फना करने के लिए तैयार हो गए। ये नहीं देखा कि इस्लाम में कितने खतरात हैं। कभी आज तक मुझे आपसे कोई शिकवा नहीं पैदा हुआ, पर आसमान का खुदा गवाह है कि आपने हमेशा पूरी तरह खिलाफत अहमदी से वफा की है, और खुदा आपसे वफा करे, खुदा आपकी नस्लों से वफा करे।
And I can still, excuse me, I can still remember singing. This remarkable person, this bright, shining light, I just can't describe him. But he was remarkable. And I mean, I don't have any bones in saying that I fell in love with him. I just fell in love with everything about him. By the middle of his speech, I came to this conclusion, that this man has all the qualities of a prophet. And I remember at that moment when he gave answers to all the questions, and I was convinced that this has got to be the community that I want to belong to.